Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 10th of May 2023. Some buying towards the end of the day on May 10th lifted benchmark indices higher, but the nervousness over US inflation data that will set the tone for the next FOMC meeting was apparent on Dale Street. The Nifty 50 index closed at 18,315.10, rising 49.15 points or 0.27%. While the Sensex was up 178.7 points to 61,940. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are IndusInd Bank, HDFC Life, and Power Grid Corporation. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are UPL, Dr. Reddy Labs, and Hindalco. They fell within the range of negative 0.89% to 2.12%. For the development in the corporate segment, we have ADANI Ports and Special Economic Zones Bonds Repurchase Program was overwhelmingly oversubscribed with offers worth $412.724 million being tendered, as on the early tender date of May 8, as bondholders rushed to redeem their holdings. The consideration offered to those holders who tendered their notes on or prior to the early tender date will be $970 per $1,000 principal amount, and the settlement date for the notes accepted for purchase would be May 10. Lupin earned a consolidated net profit of 246.7 Indian rupees crore in the fourth quarter of financial year 2023, which is attributable to the owners of the company. The latest PAT is against a net loss of 344.27 Indian rupees crore in quarter 4 of financial year 2022. The pharma player witnessed strong growth in EBITDA at 615 Indian rupees crore, up by a whopping 117.8% year-on-year and 13% quarter-on-quarter. Revenue from operations stood at 4,330.30 Indian rupees crore in quarter 4 financial year 2023, rising by 12% from 3,864.50 Indian rupees crore in the same quarter a year ago. However, revenue was up by 2.02% from 4,244.56 Indian rupees crore in quarter 3 financial year 2023. NAZARA Technologies has recorded a massive 92% year-on-year growth in consolidated profit at 9.4 rupees crore, driven by healthy top line and operating numbers. Revenue for the quarter grew by 65% to 289.3 rupees crore compared to year-ago period. EBITDA increased by 86% YOY to 27.7 rupees crore in same period. According to a Reuters report, market regulator SEBI has issued legal notices to government-owned PTC India and its financial services unit PTC India Financial Services, PFS, demanding explanations of alleged corporate governance lapses. The companies have been given 21 days to reply to the show cause notice. VEDANTA Limited has appointed Terry Daly as an advisor for its semiconductor business, the company announced on Tuesday. Daly will provide strategic counsel and inputs as Vedanta looks to establish a state-of-the-art semiconductor fab unit and semiconductor assembling and testing unit in India. IVP Limited in daily time frame is trading around 196.9 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 214,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 171.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.42. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Europanel Limited in daily time frame is trading at 128 points with a change of 9.5%, and is trading with a net volume of around 270,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 117.8. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.74. For stocks to watch, we have Tata Communication looks good on current market price of 1,276.5. It can be bought at 1280 rupees keeping target of 1385 rupees with stop loss of 1255. Alchem Lab looks good on current market price of 35.85. It can be bought at 3,618 rupees, keeping target of 3,775 rupees, with stop loss of 35.78. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.